If you have ever come inside from gardening looking like you just walked through a rainstorm, this video is for you. Maryland summers don't play around. Today I'm testing something that might make working outside a whole lot easier. Between the heat, humidity, and trying to finish just one more gardening project, sometimes your body says, that's enough. This is the HENNCHEE Cooling Vest. It comes with 12 reusable ice packs that fit into pockets throughout the vest. There are cooling panels on the front and the back. So instead of cooling just one spot, it helps cool your core where your body really needs it. The first step is freezing the ice packs. Once they're frozen, you simply slide them into the inside pockets. Everything is pretty straightforward. The vest zips up, has side elastics so it adjusts comfortably, and even includes zippered pockets, which is always a nice bonus. My first thought, it's definitely heavier once all the ice packs are installed, which makes sense because you're wearing 6 frozen packs. But once it's all on, the cooling starts almost immediately. You can really feel it across your chest and your back. The fit is snug enough to keep the cooling packs close to your body without feeling restrictive. Now comes the real test. I'm heading into the garden because that's where I spend a lot of my summer. Whether I'm planting, harvesting, pulling weeds, filming videos, I'm usually outside for quite a while. Let's see how this vest performs during actual gardening. I've noticed that when your core stays cooler, the heat doesn't seem nearly as overwhelming. Now understand, I'm still sweating because it's summer, but I don't feel like I'm overheating as quickly. For gardeners, landscapers, people working outdoors, or anyone who struggles with the summer heat, something like this could help make outdoor time much more comfortable. It's simple to use, reusable, and gives cooling exactly where I need it most while I'm working outside. So would I keep using it? I think so. It's not going to magically make a 95-degree day feel like spring, but it can definitely help take the edge off the heat. And if you're someone who spends hours outdoors like I do sometimes, this is one of those products that can make gardening a little more enjoyable in the heat. If you've ever tried a cooling vest before, let me know what you thought down in the comments. As always, be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. And if you're looking for more honest garden product reviews and practical gardening tips, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.